Doctors are shocked because one everyday food that millions of seniors eat for breakfast is silently clogging arteries much faster than anyone realized. This food looks harmless. It tastes great, but inside your body, it triggers the perfect storm for heart blockage. As we get older, our arteries become less flexible and blood flow slows down. This means seniors are far more sensitive to foods that cause inflammation, plaque buildup, or sudden blood pressure spikes. And this is why chest tightness, shortness of breath, leg cramps, and sudden fatigue appear, often without warning. The everyday food that clogs your arteries the fastest is processed meats. Foods like bacon, ham, sausages, hot dogs, deli slices, the things many people eat every morning. Processed meats clog arteries for 4 powerful reasons. 1. Saturated fats raise LDL cholesterol. LDL sticks to artery walls and creates plaque. 2. Sodium nitrites inflame artery lining. This speeds up plaque formation and raises oxidative stress. 3. High heat reaction creates harmful compounds. Cooking bacon and sausages at high heat produces chemicals that damage blood vessels. 4. Extremely high sodium salt makes arteries stiff and raises blood pressure instantly. All these factors combine to form a dangerous cycle for seniors. Plaque buildup, artery inflammation, poor blood circulation, reduced oxygen, higher heart attack, and stroke risk. Warning signs include morning chest pressure, tingling or numbness, fatigue after light activity, leg pain when walking, breathlessness, high blood pressure, dizziness. If you eat processed meats often, please pay attention to these signals. To protect your arteries, replace processed meats with healthier options. Turkey bacon, roasted chicken slices, boiled eggs, salmon or tuna, avocado, sautéed mushrooms. These foods support circulation and reduce inflammation. A cup of green tea or warm lemon water in the morning helps relax arteries, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. Subscribe now. One simple change in your diet could protect your heart for years.